Okay, so that's the Renault Espace from 2010, and down here it has some buttons. That's one position, the regulator, that's the neutral, and that is a speed limiter. So neutral again, and we can take a look here. So I'm pressing the top part, that's the regulator, neutral, and speed limiter. Okay, so let's put it on the top, regulator, and then we can increase the constant speed or decrease the constant speed, introduce it into the regulator mode or take it out from the regulator mode, so the speed will not be applied and the speed will be applied. Okay, so let's put it into, press the brake and put it into drive, and nobody is coming, so let's start going. Let's reach a certain speed, let's say 50 kilometers per hour. Currently we're at 20. Come on. 45, 50. Okay, press the R on the wheel. Regulator 55, 56 kilometers per hour. Okay, so now it's holding that speed. I am not touching the pedal, none of them, and the speed is constant. Okay, you can increase that speed, that 56 kilometers per hour. You can increase that one with this. So I'm pressing it once, 58, and the speed is higher, 62, and it's increasing the speed. I'm not touching any pedals. Okay, now let's use the minus, and the speed is lower. I'm pressing it a few times. This is working only if the speed is higher than 30 kilometers per hour. So now it's not accelerating it, the speed drops. Okay, so let's increase it. Currently it's at 44 kilometers per hour. Okay, you can get it out with this one. So 44, and now it changes and memoir what is that, and the speed is dropping. Okay, R again, press R, come on. Okay, now press the accelerator, now the R, now regulator is shown there, and it's back to 44. So that's the speed regulator. It holds the speed constant without touching any pedals. You can disable it from here. Now it's on the middle, neutral, and now it's showing the instant consumption. And if you turn that off, put it in the middle, then the speed, that let's say 76 kilometers per hour, that will be deleted, so if you have to set it again. And another part, look, here's a corner, and the speed is kept constant, and that's not good. Okay, so I pressed the brake, and pressing the brake gets it out from that regulator mode. Currently 76 would be the desired speed, but the speed is dropping. So press the R button, and it is automatically accelerating without pressing anything. So it's trying to reach that 76 kilometers per hour. Yes, and here's a curb. 76, it's okay, but if you want to take it out from that mode, either press the 0 on the steering wheel or press the brake, and both of them will take it out. So let's try it. 0 was pressed and the speed is dropping. Okay, R again, and the speed is increasing. So keep in mind this regulator keeps the speed constant even if you are approaching a curb, so it is not a perfect solution. So currently the speed is set to 56, and if you want to use another speed, then either modify it from these buttons or turn it off from there and set another speed again.